welcome back to the Kedge Anchor. I'm Karen and this is Timu, and today I have 3 art hacks I'd like to share with you. The first one is this. What, you don't know what it is? I mean, come on. No, this is a makeup brush holder that you can stick to your bathroom mirror or wherever you do your makeup. And you can, you just stick it and you put your hairbrush, your makeup brushes, and they're all right at your fingertips. I use this to dry my paintbrushes. I just stick this on the top of my drawing table and I put my wet brushes in here so that they dry properly and it helps keep their shape. $5 at Five Below. You might be able to find this on Amazon. If I can, I'll leave a link in the description. The other thing that I like to share is this. No, I didn't write a book yet, but this is all this is just bound paper. That's all it is. And I got the idea from Amanda Arneal, who what she did is she bound tracing paper. And I found myself with all these pieces of paper that I was doodling on or working on pieces. They were just scattered all over the place, and I was having a hard time keeping them together. So I took this paper and I bound it, because if any of you know me and how finicky I am about what I use my brush pens on, this Hewlett Packard paper is the safest, smoothest paper to practice on and for pieces. If you're doing a commissioned piece, I would use that, or maybe some heavy cardstock. But it is actually really good just for doodling, so it won't shred your pens. So for $6, I went to Staples. They bound, it's probably about 100 and 120 pages here maybe. They laminated a cover. They gave me put a backing on it. And you can go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby and buy one of their pads, but you get like maybe 24 sheets and you're spending $12, $14, $16 for marker paper, which you can do, but this for me was just a little bit more practical. And the other thing is I made a pocket just for scraps of paper, any pieces of inspiration that I might have laying around. I can keep them all in here. And I did it this way so they're less likely to fall out. So my third hack is this. This is cute. These are QR codes from artists that I follow and find inspiration. Because, I was getting all these emails and I'm thinking, did I sign up for that? Why did I sign up for that artist's email? Why am I getting this? I don't remember doing that. So all the artists that I follow that I can get inspiration from, maybe I might have a question about it. It's something they have taught me before and I want to go back and reference it. I just get my phone, click on it, and I'm there. I hope these hacks have helped you, and I hope maybe try them, see if they work for you. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Share your art hacks here at the Kedge Anchor. I'd love to share them in another video. So thank you for joining me today. And as always, anchor in